anything that you wanted me to. And all this said and done, I never counted the cost. It's worth all that's lost just to see you smile.
Just to see you smile, son.